Hey, what's up, everybody? I got a little short one I'm going to put together today. It's a drill shaft I've got to do for an AT&T tower. I'm only doing one today. It's about 35 feet deep, give or take. Or it varies what we do from day to day. Some days I may be pouring a floor out in the wide open, slick lining inside a building. But today I will have a 20-foot rubber hose hooked up and a stick of steel on the bottom. We're going to drop down into a wet drill shaft that, like I say, is give or take 35 foot deep, and we're going to pump concrete from the bottom and push that stuff clear up out of the top. So it'll be kind of interesting. It'll be different. I do enjoy doing those. The largest we've ever done is 115 foot deep, which do get a little bit hairy whenever you get to the top. A little 35 footer here, they usually go pretty good. Yesterday went really good, and I thought I'd video it, show you all. It's interesting when they drill those holes. It's in some sandy soil. They've hit some pretty rough soil down in the bottom, so it's kind of sketchy when they start with the drill rig. But I'll video little clips of this. Won't be very long. Something different, and hope you all enjoy it. So he's got the drill rig down in there right now. That's what I mean by a wet hole. And I think he's already spun a couple times. He's fixing to bring it up. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and set this truck up, and well, I about took a bath right there with that slickum stuff they use. I'm gonna hook up this 20-foot rubber hose. I will have that stick of steel hooked up at the bottom, and then I've got to put this ball in at the bottom of the steel pipe. And I'll drop that down in the hole, and we'll start pumping concrete, and I will do my typical priming up into the hole, and then we'll just push everything to the top. And what they'll do, they'll set a steel cage here down in that hole, so the steel will be in there when we start. So kind of an interesting process. Before I get going here today, I'm going to do a little chiseling. I've been into some high early mix, and it's been some slow pours. It's really dry, and so I've got a little bit built up under my, see better over here, and I need to get that out, and I got it on my augers pretty bad, so do a little chiseling, get this cleaned up. I got some time. They were at about 27 feet, so they got a few more feet to go. Get this taken care of, and we'll get ready. Getting there. I got a pretty good pile out of there. definitely looks a lot better. Yeah, we had some high earlier this week, which is 8.62 bag, I believe, and we just poured really dry, and it hangs up down below. So this is just time for a good cleaning. Let's go over there and check and see how close they are. All right, how deep we going? At least 30, roughly?
Yep, at least 30 foot.
There we go. There. All right, as we start coming up, this water's going to come up. They're going to pump it out, and you guys are going to pull this casing up, right?
Yes, sir. As the concrete gets up to the bottom of the tube in the hole, we'll start easing up on the tube, so that way the concrete keeps pressure on the sidewalls, and the tube will keep the top of the hole solid and open as well.
And as we get up here, eventually they will put a sono tube. After this casing's pulled, they will put a sono tube over this cage, and it will look like that right there by the time it's all said and done. I gotta follow the drill rig up a little bit, and mud should be on the way. Alrighty, they're off and going. The little bowl that we got to put in, there it is. It just came to the top. Now that water, it's gonna come up pretty quick. They're starting to pump it out right now, so they've got it running down the tube down through here. We got our first truck out, and we are allowed, I believe they said we are allowed a 9-inch slump, 8 or 9-inch slump in these holes, which about 6 or 7 inch is what we're putting it in there. That may be a little wetter than a 6 or 7, but that's fine, because like I say, we can go up to a 9. And this should be our last truck, and hopefully that'll get us to the top of this hole here just shortly. I'm gonna start pulling this cage up.
This tube's 10 foot, isn't it?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, we're 2 foot into the tube right now.
Yep.
Sam, get the strap.
we're about there, aren't we?
Just about a little bit more.
Alrighty, we're gonna stick that pipe back in there and bring this up over that steel. They're gonna put a sono tube over that. We'll be done.
There we go.
Now they are going to, they got the sono tube set. Gonna swing around there with some bolts and drop them down in the hole. And we will finish filling this and be done.
Right there, down. Put your hand.
Alrighty, that's it, guys. I'm going to end this video. They're going to do some final adjustments there, and we're going to top that off, and we're good. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, share it, and subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Alright, there it is. The pier is filled up, and I want to show you real quick what the finished product will look like. This is the one we did previously, and this is what it'll look like once it's done. So if you wonder about all the piers that these towers are on, there you go.